How many days you spend here?
So 10 days with the
10 days.
with the Tibetan community, learning about Tibetan culture.
7 billion human beings on this planet. It's a different language, but we have some same brain. So we can communicate. So as one of the 7 billion human beings, my number one commitment is try to educate, as I mentioned earlier, hygiene of emotion, the happy life, happy family, happy community, finally, happy world. Ultimately, not depend on material development, but depend here. Not necessarily with religious belief, without religious belief, simply knowing how to keep peace of mind, how to tackle anger, jealousy, and fear. So this knowledge, I think, very useful. So I'm trying to promote basic human nature, that's human love, human compassion. Now some scientists say basic nature of human being is more compassionate. That's very true. We firstly, social animal. Even birds, animals, you see, any social animal, emotionally, something to bring together. That's human love. That's loving kindness. So we are basically social animal. So my number one commitment is on the basis of basic human nature, more compassionate. Now the problem is existing modern education, very much oriented about material value, not talking about inner world. So now in education, I think should include some of the ancient Indian knowledge, how to tackle our emotion,